We recently bought this 2009 Acura MDX to replace one of our cars coming off of a lease, and it came with this sizable dent in the rear driver's side fender that's got some surface rust. We really aren't sure what it's from, and when we asked the previous owner, she said, "You know, sometimes I hit things." In this video, we decided to use a portapower to try and bend the fender back to a more normal position before sanding down some of the surface rust and painting over it. You can see the fender starting to bend back into position as my dad applies more pressure, and after attaching a more solid end to the portapower, he uses a hammer to flatten out that curve that bent a little out of shape. Here he sands down some of the surface rust and has me shake up a can of primer. We realize that the touch-up paint we have is not the exact color of the car, but we go ahead with it anyway because we figured it'll still be less eye-catching than the rusted spot, and we can work on getting the correct color in the meantime. While the painted spot is a bit brighter than the car's paint job, we're pretty happy with the result because we did push that fender back much closer to where it's supposed to be. In the future, we may end up purchasing the exact paint code color, but for now, this will do. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this.